Hi guys, I'm Tracy from Winning Home Improvements, and we are back at another beautiful home that's come to a close at Woongoolba. So come on up and have a look at this beautiful renovation with me. So welcome to the guest room. So this whole upstairs home of a farmhouse has been renovated, and here at the end of one of the wings is a guest room. We have completely removed cabinetry that was all along the side. It was encroaching into the space. Upstairs here is long and narrow. So taking that out allowed us to make the room larger, and we also did some configuration to give a bigger wardrobe. All new doors went in, all new curtains, and all new painting and floors. So one of the advantages of having Winning Home Improvements come and visit is that it allows me to see the space and see what footprint we can take advantage of. Here in this guest bedroom, this was the back of the previous wardrobe from the other room, and we were able to reconfigure the walls and give that back to this room to give a double wardrobe space. So here's a fun little room. So it's the room right beside the guest room, and because we've stolen the wardrobe, we had to recreate a new one down the end. It has made it a little bit more of a smaller room, but this family needed a little TV room upstairs for grandchildren. So we've reincorporated this to be utilised for both watching television and sleeping over. We've introduced a gorgeous little couch in forest green that folds out to a bed when they need and folds up into a lounge when the kids want to watch something. So come on in and check out bedroom 3. Here was another bedroom that had lots of built-in cabinetry in that dark wooden tones. So we've removed all of that, we've upgraded the vinyl sliders, and we've given it a fresh paint, new bedding and new flooring. And now it's another beautiful little space to take some guests. So there's 2 bathrooms in this home, one in the ensuite and one here in the main. And if you've been following us for a while, you know we just love barn doors. So we've incorporated a white one into the theme of this home, and this allowed the door to be removed to give us some more space for the main bathroom. Now we have now incorporated a vanity that holds 2 basins, and that's going to service family really, really well. This bathroom never had a shower, so we've incorporated a bath shower with a semi-frameless glass swing door, and this allows the whole family to be able to use this bathroom really well. So all new bathroom, all new tiles, and this gorgeous solid wooden vanity for lots of storage. So here we are, master suite, and this one is a fun little room. So traditionally this is like a 40-year-old home, and inside this master beautiful suite we have an outside vanity which you can see that is open to the room, and that was quite serviceable for this family, so they decided to keep that in. So we have incorporated this beautiful botanical wallpaper in where the bed is, so that it gives an artificial border to this side of the room. It also anchors the bed and brings some interest into the space. This is autumn colours in soft plushes, exactly what we have incorporated with the blinds. So being such an older home, there wasn't much to the ensuite, but we managed to be able to move a few walls around and get a beautiful walk-in shower. We incorporated half wall, which allowed us to do an in-wall cistern and have a floating pan. And this also becomes now the niche for the shower. So all in all, we've got a smaller vanity in here, but the second one outside also services the family, and another shaving cabinet for lots of storage.
winning home improvements met needs that I didn't know that I had. When I questioned something about a design or an image, it was never just, oh yes, you should do it this way. It was always, well, the reason why we're doing it this way is because of this, 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 and this. And it gave me peace of mind. And I didn't know that I needed that, but I definitely needed that with the renovation. My favourite part is about 6 a.m. of a morning, waking up and the sun just filtering through the main bedroom here. It just feels like it's just the best place on earth.